Okay, good people of the internet, I'm posting two tours together in this one video. These are the two tours I've done so far this ptarmigan hunting season. I hope you like it. Subscribe to the channel and give the video a like if you do like it. Okay boys, it's the first day of the ptarmigan hunting season. It actually started 1 week ago, but this is my first tour. Super excited. It's a little bit windy, but clear skies mostly, and yeah, good conditions. So let's see how it goes. Bird is there. Got up. Okay boys, first bird down. Snorri was hunting with me. He also has one bird. We just started walking. Looks good for the day. Really interesting area here. Let's see if we can find more. Okay guys, so a bird just flew off from up top of the canyon there. I think it landed here in front of us. Skål, ja. Hvítur verðakstur hér. Engin önnur á þetta. See ptarmigan nest, 3 of them. Ptarmigan footprint here, nest, new shit. Oh shit! 3 sheep there in the canyon. Já, svo. Ekki hérna, allar að skjóta svona löngu ferri. Já. Okay. Hérna kassari. Já, fór úr henni allt móðulífið. Hvað segir þú? Já, ert þú hundur? Já. Okay boys, I am here with my friend Helgi. Gísli over there, going back to the car to get his binocular. We're gonna be ptarmigan hunting today. We are hunting this pretty well-known area called Skjaldbreiður. The weather is really good. Yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. Check us out. Okay boys, so we've been walking for what? 1-2 hours maybe?
About 2 hours.
Pretty far, and we're finally finding some brand new ptarmigan poop. This is like a berry poop, a little bit blue or purple. It's like an adrenaline injection when you see stuff like this after not seeing anything for a while. Gets you extremely horny. So it's super likely everything here. So yeah, let's hope we get lucky. Hún hérna, við hérna.
Já.
Okay boys, so we've been walking for a while now. Finally, we've spotted a bird. Can only see one bird. Often, if you see one, there are more. At the moment, only seeing one. This always gets the adrenaline pumping. Taka hana. Það eru tvær hana, tvær. Komið með mér. Þær eru að fara á stað, sko. 2 birds. Ég með það báðar í einu. Helgi, hefur ekki að taka það saman? Þetta klár?
Ég klár.
Ok, þú tekur hægri.
Hægri.
Ok, 1, 2 og. Æja.
Fór?
Báðar.
Æi.
Hún hann særið, ég skal ná í hana, þú átt hina. Okay boys, 2 birds. Helgi has 1. I got 1. Gísli waited this one out. Beautiful start to the day. Okay boys, 2 birds, super happy with this one. I was gonna take all birds flying after hunting with Phil fellows last year. I decided I was gonna shoot everything flying from now on, but we've been walking for 3 hours. Misha ate my first ptarmigan this season, so I have to get a few birds for Christmas dinner. So I decided to shoot this one sitting, but super happy. Let's rock on. Okay boys, we're finishing off the tour. The weather was amazing today. We only saw these 2 birds that we caught. Didn't see any other birds. This area is the closest to Reykjavik city, so there are usually a lot of people that go hunting here. So we were not expecting a lot of birds. So we're happy with the 2 we got, and yeah, beautiful day once again.